Hello, everyone. My name is Shannon Amidon. I am the founder and director of the Verdancy Project. And we recently had a post blow up, and we've gotten thousands of new followers, which is fantastic. And I wanted to jump on here and tell you all a little bit more about the Verdancy Project. We are a small family run residency that was established in 2020, and we're located in Troutdale, Oregon, which is about 30 minutes east of Portland, which is a gorgeous city and nowhere near a war zone. And we are on 4.5 acres out here in Troutdale, and we have a woodland and a creek, fields, treehouse, dye gardens, library, blueberry patches, gardens. It's just a really beautiful and magical place out here. And when we started in 2020, we started with one residency, and we've grown now. We have 3 different residencies. Our cornerstone residency is called our Ponder Residency. That's what we started out with. And that is a 1 to 2 week residency, and it has no expectations. I am an artist, and my family are all artists, and we understand the constant pressure to always be productive and outputting and creating as artists. And I really believe that it's important for us to have downtime and gestation time and time to rest and be and read and just think. So that's our Ponder residency. There are no expectations of projects or productivity at all. We also have our land art residency, which we just launched this year, and it was wonderfully successful, a really cool program that's geared more towards local people because it's a 3-month program where creatives come out every week to spend time on the land, and at the end of the 3 months, they've created something with the land. They've collaborated with the land. And our other residency is our bio art residency, which is the one getting most of the attention. That is a residency that is sponsored by the Zymoglyphic Museum, which is located in Portland. And it's for artists or creatives who work at that intersection of science and art, biology and art. And that one does have some expectations, but the expectations are really that you are working on something, experimenting, trying something. You don't have to have a big project or outcome from it. We just want to see kind of documentation of what you've been working on. With that, we also have a parent scholarship, and that is for parents of children 18 and under. And one of the reasons that I started the Verdancy Project was for parent and working artists. It is a real luxury to be able to go away for a month or more, which a majority of residencies are. And I knew it's important for artists just to have that time. And sometimes 1 to 2 weeks is all it takes to really get a restart in your practice and give you the time away to just think and be. In addition to our residency programs, we also have a lot of other cool offerings. We do workshops, and we have events. We do performances. We do a lot of community collaborative events and creativity. The main theme and overall mission of the Verdancy Project is really this deep and reverent connection with nature, ecology, or science. That's what we kind of bring everybody out here to learn about. Those are the artists that we're looking for. And we do have our call for art open right now that ends on November 15th. And then we'll also be opening up we have an art and seed swap for artists who like to garden. We're going to be having a zine swap and a bunch of other really great things coming up next year. So thank you so much for following us and learning more about us. And I definitely encourage you to check out our website. And there's tons of info on there. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below. And if you watched this long, you're amazing. Thank you.